playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm beside myself to keep playing this.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey girlies! As you can see next to me, I have a big box of clothes. I actually got a ton of stuff from Shein recently. As you guys know, I've been complaining to y'all on all of my lives and all of my videos, like I cannot find clothes. I keep going to the mall and I cannot find anything. I am currently, if you can or cannot tell, 5 months pregnant right now, so I've been trying to find affordable clothing that I know is not going to fit me, you know, a couple months from now. I don't want to spend a ton of money on, you know, I'm usually like a size like small medium, but while I'm pregnant I'm a large, extra large, so I don't want to, you know, buy a bunch of expensive large, extra large clothes when, you know, I'm only going to fit in it for a couple of months. So I definitely took advantage of their Black Friday sale where everything is up to 85% off. So everything that I show you guys right now is available on their website. And yeah, so let's get into this little fall haul. So hopefully these don't have any staining on them, because I've actually already worn these twice since I got them, because they are so freaking comfortable. If you watch my vlogs, you will see, or if you follow my Instagram, you will see that I keep wearing those same pair of like dark high-waisted kind of jeans with rips in them. Those are the only pants that fit me jean wise. So I had to get some, and when I saw these on the website, these were in the Shein sexy section. But I noticed that they had like a drawstring and it's stretchy. So I thought that this would be absolutely perfect, and they fit great. They also have some tears and stuff. I love the whole distressed look. But overall, they just fit really comfortable. So we're going to try these on in a second, but let's go ahead and get a top to try them on with. Also, something that I have already worn since getting the package, because I've been meaning to get one of these for the longest time. I just love, you know, simple long sleeve, you know, crew neck type tops, and I haven't had one that, you know, covers the belly. So I made sure that I picked up another one, and the belly shows a little tiny bit at the bottom, but overall pretty good coverage. So obviously if you're not pregnant, it'll cover your whole stomach. Yeah, I just love the faded black color that it is. Yeah, let's try these both on together. So here are both of the pieces. I just wanted to get a little up close so you guys can actually see the thickness of the top. Like I said, I already wore it, so excuse the little like fuzzies that may be on it. But I would say it's like a decent like thickness. It's not like super thick, and it's also not thin as well. So perfect for the winter time, especially if you like to layer your clothing. And here are the jeans, of course. They are super freaking comfortable. There's a great amount of stretch, so if I'm gonna go and, you know, get something to eat or whatever, I still have room for the baby and the food. Here's the first two pieces, and I'm super happy with them. I'm impressed by the quality. So the next item we have is actually a puffer vest. I've been wanting one of these forever, but I just keep telling myself, like, girl, you live in, you know, Las Vegas area, and it's not gonna snow. You drive about 45 minutes up the mountain, sure it'll snow, but over here it doesn't. But it's starting to, you know, get like 35 degrees outside, so I feel like that's cold enough for me to be able to, you know, start dressing like this, right? It's just a really cute tan puffer vest. On the inside it does have like a chocolate brown color, but you can't really see it. At first I thought it was reversible when I got it, but it's not. It has a zipper, but it doesn't have any pockets, unfortunately. Next we have an accessory. This is not meant to go with this outfit, but it was at the top of the box, so we're showing this next. I just got this. It gives winter vibes with the material. I also got some home goods stuff, so let me show you guys that as well real quick before we continue with the clothing. So the next thing I got was from their home section, and this is just for the aesthetics. If you can see like the background of most of my chit chat get ready with me's, I have this like little clear shelf that's right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it in frame, but it's a clear shelf. So I just saw this and I thought that it kind of matched. This is a tissue box. Next, this is just something to go inside of my desk to organize, you know, my makeup brushes, any little small products that I might have, like little rubber bands, bobby pins, and clips and stuff. So this is just gonna go inside my desk. And then this, you guys, I'm actually excited about. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna hang it yet, but I definitely want it to be somewhere where the sun is going to catch it. It's just this chain of really pretty little like crystal shapes and stuff, and I don't know, it kind of reminded me of the tattoo that I have on my forearm. And I thought it would be cute to hang it from something. Like I said, I'm not sure where I'm going to put it yet, but I thought it was really cute. Next up we have some more storage type stuff. And this is just, oh, it's so cute. It's not real wood, of course, but I got this for my bedroom and I could put like a candle on there, you know, some cute little trinkets and stuff. Next up, we have another top. I got this one because I wanted to take possibly some like maternity type photos. Not like professional ones, but just like cute ones for Instagram. And I felt like this would be like, you know, a cute belly pic type shirt. So let's try this on. So here's the top. I absolutely love it. It's so weird because when I didn't have this belly here, I wasn't confident enough to go out and wear like shirts like this, but with my belly, I am. I don't know why I have that like switched up and stuff, but I love wearing tops that like show off the babe. Material is nice and soft and cozy as well, so I'm really happy about that. And I have really long arms, so I'm happy that it actually like went all the way down. And I got another top to show off the belly. It's not an off the shoulder like this one, but it is very, very cropped. As you can see, like I said, it is a super cropped top. It does not give any sort of coverage at all. But I did also get this top to go with something specific, so let's try that on too. And that would be this low-rise gray skirt, so let's try this on. So here is the skirt. I absolutely love it. The only thing that I wish is that it was a little bit thicker. I did see there was like 4 different options for this kind of skirt on the website. And one of them was maybe like $1 or $2 more expensive. So I think because I love just how this fits so much, I'm gonna also order that skirt as well. I absolutely love this skirt. I would definitely pair it with like a ton of other crop tops or even some sweaters and some Uggs. Just for size reference, I am 5'9" and I do have longer legs and a shorter torso. So the fact that this actually goes all the way down to the ground past the ankles touching the floor, yes. And then I also got this set that came with 3 different shirts. They're all the exact same one. They just come in 3 different colors, and it doesn't have like a full turtleneck, but it does go up a little bit on the collarbone. So I just got it in white, black, and taupe. This is what the tops actually look like on. As you can see, it doesn't have like a high turtleneck, but it still definitely covers up your collarbone a little bit. If you didn't have a belly, it would definitely still be a little cropped, I think. But yeah, I don't think I'd wear it with the skirt. Next, I have a 2-piece, and this is a skirt and crop top long sleeve set. So here is the skirt. I absolutely love this like muted bluish kind of color. And then here is the top. When I first got this, I was like, ooh, I'm kind of scared that's not gonna fit, but it actually fits perfectly because it looked a little loose at first. So let's try this on. So here's the set and how it looks on. As you can see, I do have it covering the belly. You can obviously wear it lower, wear it higher, whichever you're comfortable with. This stops about halfway down my calves, so it does not go all the way down, but it's still a cute length, I think. It's really comfortable, a nice amount of stretch, and yeah, just comfy overall. And here's the next item. We have a 1-piece long sleeve bodycon dress, and I am absolutely in love with it. I love how it fits, so I think I'm gonna actually pick up a couple more colors, at least black and white in this as well. Next up, we have a dress as well. This one is a vest style, and it has some buttons going all the way down from across the breast down to your leg. I saw this in, I believe, the Shein times mod section, and they had a ton of really like different looking pieces in there. But I saw this and I thought it would look really cute with some like combat boots, so let's try this on. This is definitely different for sure, but this is really cute. Definitely would probably wear this with maybe like a long sleeve black shirt underneath. Do you guys think that would be cute? Just because it is cold outside and I don't know what kind of jacket I could put over it to like make it look cute still. Next, I got this chocolate brown sweater. I would definitely not wear these together, so don't get that idea, but I'm just trying it on together for the sake of just seeing how the jacket fits. So of course we got the pockets, the hood, the zipper, and all. I do not have a zip-up hoodie in this color, and if I do, I don't know where it is, so that's why I picked this one up. So here is the next dress. As you can see, I'm getting a lot of like really comfortable looking dresses because they're just super easy to put on. Would definitely have to wear a strapless with this because I feel like my bra strap is just kind of like messing with it. But I like this little detail right there. I think that's really cute. I'm not sure if it's supposed to go like under the breast like that, which I feel like that looks cute, but it also looks kind of cute being up here too, so I'm not sure how it's worn. I'm gonna have to look at the website again, but I just saw this detail when I picked it up and I thought it was really cute. So yeah, just another comfy stretchy cotton dress. Next up we have what I'm actually going to be wearing today, and that is this one-piece jumpsuit, I believe they're called. I've been wanting to get one in the color black because they literally match with everything. You could put a puffer coat over this, a jean jacket, and a lettersman jacket, literally anything, boots, sandals. They're just so comfortable and convenient. They go with everything. The only downfall, of course, is that when you have to go pee, girl. I do have on those biker shorts underneath, so excuse the little bit of bunching right there. I'm definitely gonna probably take those off when I wear it today. But here is the jumpsuit, super comfortable. As you can see, also goes all the way down to my ankles. Nothing from this haul is from their tall section once again, so this is all just normal sizing. It's a v-neck cut, really comfortable. I think I'm gonna probably wear this with a jean jacket today. So this I got for like a little date night type outfit, and this is a mesh, but it has a like chocolate brown slip on the inside, so it's not see-through on your actual like body, but it is see-through right here. So here is the last dress. My poor ponytail, y'all, getting dragged throughout this entire video, taking shirts off, taking it off. It is getting ripped. So yeah, I love the stripes. I think it's really cute. I feel like most pregnant women would not want to wear horizontal stripes, because if you wear vertical stripes, it makes you look taller. If you wear horizontal, it makes you look wider. But I'm kind of liking it. It's cute. It's giving Arizona with the stone pattern. No, I actually really like this dress. I unfortunately suck at heels, so I'm gonna have to try to figure out how I can style this, because like I said, I suck at heels. This is the last item in the haul. So if you guys are interested in anything that I am wearing today, I'll have all the links and all the information in the description below. Shein is having their Black Friday sale. Everything is up to 85% off, so now is the time to definitely shop and get all of the items that have been sitting in your cart for a while, because they're probably on sale. But that's it from me today in today's video. Just wanted to come on here and show you guys the clothes that I got. The next video after this one is most likely going to be the story time, so stay tuned for that. I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me for over 10 years on this channel, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!
Back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me.